and designation to the court reporter. It will be your responsibility before you are relieved of your responsibilities as far as this case to have those documents filed. Are there any other matters on behalf of the state of Florida?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor. Thank you.
Are there any other matters on behalf of the defense? Okay. Court will be in recess.
And there it is. Casey Anthony will not be going home today. She goes back to jail. Judge gives her 4 years in prison, $1,000 fine, finds that she is sentenced separately on each of the 4 counts of lying to police. They each carry a maximum 1-year sentence, so he gave her the max. But her sentence gets reduced for time served, almost 3 years right there. She gets time off for good behavior in prison, reduced right there. And that means, according to the judge, she may be out of jail by July or August of this year. Jane Velez Mitchell with issues with Jane Velez Mitchell's outside the courthouse right now. Jane Velez Mitchell, your reaction?
Well, I got to tell you, this crowd that had been protesting so loudly before the sentencing hearing became silent. You could hear a pin drop as everybody knew that the reporters here were listening to the judge speak and the argument, and they were waiting. And then as soon as they heard that Casey Anthony is not going to be released from jail, there was a sense of relief, but no jubilation, because they're also hearing that she could be out sometime this summer. From what I heard through the crackling, late July, early August. So your reaction, you drove here from Sarasota. She's not getting out today, but she could get out with time served late July, early August. Your reaction?
Wow, this summer. I think this is ridiculous. We need a retrial. That's what we need.
Well, that doesn't happen in our, that's double jeopardy.
Definitely, but maybe the judge should have spoken up in court when they found her not guilty. Maybe, I heard he was a tough judge. He's not.
If it wasn't Casey, then who was it?
Well,
we still don't have an answer, and there's still no justice for her.
And there's a lot of signs here. Some of them are angry. Some of them are kind of funny. This one says somewhere a village is missing 12 idiots. Well, now, you're angry, but is there any comfort? Is there any comfort in the fact that she's not getting out today?
No, that just puts off everything that she's going to do in 2 or 3 months.
She can plan her book.
Now she can start writing her thick novel while her daughter is dead.
In her grave.
Dead. Any comfort in the fact that she's not getting out today?
None at all. None at all. Why? Anytime she comes out, it's too soon for me, okay? What she did was a disgrace to all, not just Kaylee, but all innocent children in the world, period. And all the unsolved cases that are out there. That's what Kaylee stands for. Not just Kaylee, but all the other babies that are missing and who are probably dead somewhere in the bush. Yes. This is why I'm upset. This is why I drove from Miami to come here to say this is not justice for Kaylee. Sarasota, we drove this morning. All the Anthonys are corrupt. I'd like to add that.
All right, so there is a tremendous amount of upset here.
I really feel that perjury charges should come against Cindy Anthony. They definitely need to file perjury charges against her.
Now, let me ask you this. The judge hinted that he may be charging and actually billing Casey Anthony for the money that the investigators spent looking for a child they thought was alive. Do you like that?
Supposedly she knew she was dead already. According to Jose Baez, she drowned in a pool, so why was she letting people look for them? That's not right either. She owes them.
Why?
She owes them money.
Right. Like she lied to the police.
She owes all those volunteers that wasted their time and money looking for a baby that she knew was dead.
For her baby, and she knew that her baby accidentally drowned.
All right.
All those volunteers who took off from work to help her look for that baby.
Jane, I know there's a lot of emotion out there. All right, Jane, I know there's a lot of emotion out there. You can tell how upset and angry